Hello friends, welcome to a new video where I will show you how to change the location of our Apple device. I know that sometimes you need to change your location in real time in various situations, for example, for some applications to show geolocation in another city, when you are playing games that depend entirely on geolocation. If you want to change your location to any part of the world, in this video, I will show you the method that allows you to change the location of your Apple device. The application on Apple device is called iPhone Location Changer. And let's see how it works. You can download this software from the link to the official website that I will leave you in the video description. This application is available on Windows and Mac, and after downloading, you must install the application. After installation of the application, it runs automatically. Already within the application, check the box to accept, and then click the Start button. Now you must connect your iPhone to your computer. After connecting your iPhone, the different methods of changing location will be shown. The first method is called Modify Location. So it is just a point to another country. For example, you can see my current location in front of you. To change the location, we must enter it in the box on the right side. For example, let's look for somewhere in Paris. Then within the application, we select the Modify Location button and click on the Confirm button. You confirm the change in your location. And now, we see that our location has already changed on the computer. We are already in Paris. And if we go to our iPhone to Google Maps, we see what the iPhone thinks is in Paris. We can use this method in different situations such as games or applications. For example, I will do a small test in a dating app. Now we change our location to Los Angeles. And it will show us people from that country. Now we change the location to England. And the location will be updated in the app. And so, we can change the location as many times as we want to meet people from other countries. Then it is very easy to change the location on our Apple device. In addition to modifying location, there is the following option called one-stop mode. That is, in this mode, you have to enter a starting point and an end point. We must select both points on the map. On the left side, we can modify the speed of our movement. After configuring the speed, click on the Start Move button, and it will begin to simulate our route. And within our iPhone in the same time, we see that we are moving along this route that we simulated in iWare. This application also has multi-point. This mode is similar to the previous one. Only in this mode, we must select several points on the route that we want to take, and in the same way, we can modify the speed of our simulation of the route. The last option we have here is joystick mode. In this mode, you can choose free mode or mouse mode. We select either of the two modes, and we can start moving. And that's how easy, simple and fast you can change the location on your device. The application naturally allows you to change the location of your iPhone, and also in this application, you can record and view your movement history. This application is an excellent tool for different situations that we need it. The app will be in the video description. If you needed similar functionality, you can download the application from the link. You can use the free version with a couple of uses, or the paid version that will allow you to use the application as many times as you want. I will be glad if you support the video, thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thanks for being here, and see you. Goodbye.